Hey, this is Twuan from Yessir Outdoors, and I am completely excited right now. I'm about to pack up, and we're about to hit the water. I have D from Yessir Outdoors and actually Julio from Yessir Outdoors. They're going to meet me out there. So I'm about to load up a couple of more of my things, and we're about to hit the water. So, hey, definitely check out this video, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, sir.
It's a thunder?
Feels like it.
Yee.
Oh, it's a monster.
Ooh.
Those are salmon. Oh yeah!
No, what the heck? It's caught on something.
Can I find it?
It's caught on something. Yeah, but it's caught.
Ooh, that's a monster.
How heavy? It's caught on something. You see it?
Let him.
You see it?
Yep, I can see it. Unless you want to get in there and get him.
Hell no. But we can get, if you have a heavy line, we can rip that thing up. That wheat.
Yeah.
That's a monster too. You got, ooh. See how it's running to the right? Either go right so it doesn't get tangled up. Get it, boy. Real. Oh, never mind. Thought it left. Get off. Nice. You saw that run? Yeah. I think that's on the bigger side. Looks like it. Tilt your right, rod to the right. Rod to the right. There you go. You can muscle out now. Want me to get it? Get it close. Rod to the right.
For sure. Yes, sir.
Get him. Slow.
Okay, walk back. Walk back, see? Faster. Let them line up.
It's a nice one too.
Oh baby! Go, finally!
It's a nice one.
Got you. Ooh, lightning. Nice. Huh? Nah.
Who do you think, maybe?
Easy. Pull it out. That big old banana.
Got him good.
Oh yeah, right on the lip.
Right on the lip. Yes, sir.
Yessir Outdoors is on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Say it again. Yes, sir. Please like, follow, and subscribe to all formats, all at Yessir Outdoors.